Happy birthday, Aggie. I bet you thought I forgot. Hey, NailTubers. What is up, Nailification Squad? So as you can see, I've already started on this birthday set for Aggie. I chose the colors you'll see because Aggie loves pink. In fact, I think she said her real name is Pinkadelic. She's also crazy about glitter. So there are two shades of pink and there's glitter. The polishes I'm using are from the Modelones 24 color polish kit that I did a previous nail haul on. And the tips I'm using, well, let me just explain. From what I know and have seen, Aggie has been using these certain tips. I'm not sure, I don't know what they are, but they seem to come stiletto. Then she cuts the tip, which squares them off slightly, but then they still have like this stiletto zeal to them. Well, I tried making them like that, but not quite. So I hope they're still okay. But you know what? I really do like how the design came out. Aggie, this is to make up for the mini video too. Y'all, cause let me tell you what she said about my mini video. Oh, and before I do, it wasn't that she didn't like it. She felt it was too short. Aggie said, I feel like I've been humped and dumped. So this is especially for you, Aggie. Happy birthday to you. I hope your special day has been the best and continues to be from here to eternity. I became familiar with Aggie by way of the collabs that she participates in. There was the one collab when a group of the ladies did like quilt nails, and they were so adorable. Now, I can't remember specifically if Aggie was in that collab, but you know how you start watching YouTube and then it pushes related content your way. So during that time, I actually became familiar with the other ladies as well. Now, Aggie caught my attention with her loving and playful spirit. I remember her doing a set of cat eyes that glowed, and I think it was with Just Joe Nails. I love how she talks straight during her videos like you're sitting right there. I mean, like, no voiceover with her. In fact, a lot of them. And she's so endearing and fun. I was hooked right away. So we've been visiting and supporting each other's channels. Then she recently mentioned that her birthday was upcoming and asked if I would do a nail set for her. I enjoyed every minute of this. There really isn't too much to explain about the set other than for you to know that I cured each layer of polish 60 seconds. Oh, by the way, I'm not using my nail area, so I'm using my older lamp. The drip art was cured for a little longer because of how thick it was painted on to get that like 3D real drip effect. I actually kind of considered doing more art-wise, but then I decided the same as I did in my last video, that much of the time, less is more. I just think the set looks so beautiful and so classic. So guys, make sure you celebrate Aggie's birthday with us and show love by visiting her channel. I guarantee you will not be disappointed. As a matter of fact, you ought to check out her most recent video where she did an amazing Valentine fishnet stocking set with, you know what? Just be sure to go over there. You will love it. Her channel is Unpolished by Aggie here on YouTube, and you'll really enjoy it. As a matter of fact, Aggie is a brand ambassador for Charlie's Nail Art.
Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. So pretty.
I couldn't help it. I was just admiring it. Sometimes if you guys could only see what we see away from the camera lens. So yeah, visit Aggie. As I was saying, she's a brand ambassador for Charlie's Nail Art, and you'll see a lot of fun things on her channel. You'll see nail designs, you'll see Amazon hauls, you'll see AliExpress hauls, you'll see product reviews, you'll see the Charlie Nail Art, and there's so many unique things. So be sure to check it out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you like this set. Let me know what you think, okay, guys? And there's plenty more to come on this channel. It was a pleasure to celebrate this special day with Aggie. Much love to you, girl. I hope it's been wonderful for you. I hope that your day is truly blessed and that there's so much more to come.